Welcome back for another episode of Knitting, Science, and Craft. We're going to combine 2 strands of yarn and learn how to make a magic knot. So first you are going to tie 1 strand of yarn around the other strand of yarn like this. I'm going to tie my white strand of yarn around my pink strand of yarn. Now you're going to pull the yarn so that they are equal. Now you will cut off the excess yarn. Now you can just knit with this 1 strand of yarn. Thanks for watching Knitting, Science, and Craft.